Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you on our 2011 Ford F-150 how to remove, clean, and adjust your striker on the tailgate. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So once you've dropped your tailgate down, you have these mounting screws that hold the panel down. This particular truck has a couple of Phillips and then a couple of Torx heads. I don't know if they put the Phillips in aftermarket when they did some repairs, but we do have two Torx heads, which I think come straight from the factory. And this is a T30, so you want to put your Torx bit in there and take so overall we're going to have 8 mounting screws. So take all 8 mounting screws off, and you can access the panel underneath. Here we're taking the last screw out, and then we'll put them with the rest of the pile. Should be able to lift this panel right up. Move that aside. And now we have open access to our latch and the connecting rods to the locks and latches on the side. First thing you're going to need is a T45. You're going to dismount the mounting bolts to the locking latch. I'm going to hold up a little bit, take the pressure off. Now we're going to follow the rod down to the latch, and there's a plastic tab. I like to take a little flat head screwdriver, and I'm going to turn that lock plat piece off, just like that. The threaded rod come right through. Then this is how you'll fish. You've got another plastic piece right here. It's a little guide. Take a pair of pliers or needle nose. Squeeze it, pop that out, and now you can guide your latch right through. And there you have your locking latch on the side of your tailgate. So if you get a new one, or you're going to replace the old one if you just wanted to lube it up, or replace the plastic rod, plastic clip on the rod. To install, just reverse procedure. I'm going to remount the latch first before I attach that rod. I'll put the top bolt in here. I'll put the cable one in. Not forgetting to make sure that that metal keyway goes into the tailgate. Still lined up. I'm going to tighten that front one right down. The back one I'm just going to snug enough so the cable still moves. Now I'm going to find that plastic. It's a guide, so it's pretty important that it's there. I'm going to put it back into place. Just pushes up in. And now I can see my adjustment on the rod. So sometimes these things get lazy and they start to stick. So once you've lubed them up, make sure that that's locked all the way down. Put the threaded part right in that plastic. Bring the handle part of it, snap it down. Now we're just going to put our access panel back on. Line up the old bolt holes. Start the 2 center ones with the torque head on them. And I'll put the rest in started by hand, and then tighten them all down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.